Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रही थी कि जो मैंने अभी recently unboxing की है कुछ चीज़ों की. So I got some stuff from MAC again क्योंकि अभी holiday season जो है वो अभी still continue है और जो holiday की collection थी वो sale पे कुछ आ चुकी थी. So I got like 20% off on few products and I got this MAC extra dimension blush, luminizer and bronzer. This is the packaging and this is what it looks like, and it's so pretty. It's again the same collection, bows and bubbles, as you can see, and it's really pretty packaging. I love it. Or who doesn't want this? And this was on sale, which is great deal. And I also got a couple of more stuff which I'm going to show you. So make sure आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया, और अगर ऑलरेडी कर लिया तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. साथ ही साथ मुझे बाकी सोशल मीडिया पे भी जो है वो फॉलो कर लीजिएगा, बिकॉज आई डू पोस्ट makeup reviews, skincare reviews, and some recipes and my other lifestyle vlogs like on daily basis और जो भी मैं कर रही होती हूँ यहाँ टोरंटो में, because here life is a little bit different than Pakistan, so of course I'll be posting a lot. So उसके अलावा Sephora की मैंने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की है तो मैं आपको वो भी दिखाती चलूँगी, because I got 20% off and I bought some stuff जो मैं बहुत अच्छे से सोच रही थी, so you know, लेकिन obviously regular price is a little bit, you know, थोड़ी सी लगती है मुझे. So I got it anyways. So MAC की एक और collection आई है, which is this Whitney Houston, I think. I can't see honestly, but I will mention in the description box. So these are the two lipsticks and the shade is Nippy's Festy Red and Nippy's Moody Nude. These are the lipsticks. मैं already निकाल चुकी थी, मैंने swatch भी की because I was dying और मुझे इतने पसंद नहीं दोनों shade, like बहुत अच्छे लगे. So this is the red one. This is the packaging, really pretty gold and black packaging. अचानक से मैं store पे गई, I saw this, I was like ये मैंने collection नहीं देखी, and then I was like yes, I need them. So this is really pretty red color. It's like a, it's not red, it's like maroonish type kuch ka red hai. It's really pretty. So I'm not wearing any makeup, I just applied this paint pot because I bought it. मेरे पास rewards थे, points थे MAC के, तो उसने मुझसे पूछा कि you want anything, so I was like why not paint pot, like why would I buy something random stuff. So मैंने वो लिया, which is this shade, and the shade name is Bougie, and it's here. It's really pretty shimmery shade, grayish like metallic and kind of like wow, it's so pretty and it looks amazing on the eyes. तो खैर ये लिया. अब लिपस्टिक जो है वो मैंने आपको ये दिखा दी है. नेक्स्ट है हमारी फेस्टी, oh you ready, this is like Moody Nude. This is like really amazing shade and I love it. Do you see that? Oh god, it's so pretty, so pretty. So yeah, this is the red shade and I'm not applying anything, I just applied like my, क्योंकि मेरे लिप्स जो है ना थोड़े से वो क्रैक होना शुरू हो जाते हैं और गंदी आदत होती है जिनको नेल ये बाइट करने की लिप्स को. So stop doing this because it's so much pain. मेरे बहुत दर्द हो रही है यहाँ पर. So anyways, next product I bought was, oh I actually bought this Sephora, let me show you. This holiday collection thing. मेरी रिंग लाइट बिल्कुल मुंह पे आई हुई है, इसको थोड़ा सीधा कर दूँ. Wait, my camera. Okay. Alright, so I got this and we got like two full-size Rare Beauty and Charlotte Tilbury full-size products and the price was 58 Canadian. This was on sale as well. So I got this for 20% off. The shades are really amazing. Shade bhi yahin pe pade hue. I got this NARS. Then we got this, let me show you really quickly. सब चीज़ें ये पड़ी हुई हैं, mix-up हुई हुई हैं, but I was not planning to show you this, but मैंने अब दिखा दी तो सोचा ये भी दिखा दूँ. I got this lip injection, of course, this. Marshall Tilbury, yeah, this is my, there you go. A Rare Beauty, full-size product, really pretty. It's like a nude kind of thing. It's lip oil type thing. That's really nice. ये मुझे मिली, and then I got, let me show you quickly. सब कुछ पैक हुआ हुआ है. Pat McGrath lip color. Oh god, इस वाले कंटेनर में मेरी सारी मिनीज हैं जो मैं अपने हैंडबैग में लेके घूमती फिरती हूँ. I got this mini from Pat McGrath. Color is really pretty. This is the shade I got. Then we got one Urban Decay Yeah, this is Urban Decay. This is the first shade I got in this packaging. It's really pretty nude as well. Looks a little mauvey. This is nice too. And what else we got? इसमें और कौन सा lipstick है? Can't see. Oh yeah, this one as well. I think it's this. नहीं ये नहीं है. मैंने कभी lipsticks use नहीं की. This is my first time experience. I still haven't used it yet. I don't know कहाँ पे. Okay, I can show you anyways. I mean, if it's there, I will show you sometime in the video later. Oh, got it. Chalo, dekh lein. This is the lipstick. So this is like a mini again. And the shade is like a little bright red. So yeah. And of course, y'all totally like Pillow Talk, which is amazing. It's here. Full size lipstick, Pillow Talk. And that's what we got. So perfect deal for Sephora. This probably I'm going to show you later because I'm going to do Sephora haul. मुझे Instagram पे messages आ रहे थे कि आपने बनाया तो है नहीं यार. पता है कि टाइम नहीं मिलता honestly. Sometime अब मैंने अपने बाल तक डाई नहीं किए तो अंदाज़ा लगाएं कि मैं कितनी बिजी हूँ. और दूसरा ये कि मेरी जो सिचुएशन है ना, नींद की is like going really bad. So yeah, next thing we got this MAC pouch type thing. It's a box, a red box. It has a pouch and it has like these full-size products, which I was really excited. And this is how we open, and you get this and more. This was also on sale, 20% off. So I was really excited and I got it. This is what you get. So this is really pretty glossy red clutch. That's what you get. And then the products are in here. It's pretty roomy. I mean, and it has, you know, this type of situation. You can use, it doesn't have MAC outside, but it has MAC written inside. So you can literally use it as a clutch. So yeah, Acha ji. So what we got here is we got two MAC eyeshadow, single eyeshadows, and really pretty shade. It's Omega matte eyeshadow and Saint Top, which you can use it with on daily basis. Like it's a little brownish, metallic-y. And this one is matte. So yeah, we got these two. Then we got two full-size lipsticks. One is luster, like sheer type, and one is matte. Matte is chili. Chili is one of my favorite reds. Really pretty for brown skin. If you're a brown girl, like wearing red, this is your perfect shade. Then we have Sea Sheer. It's a luster gloss lipstick. It's like a little glossy, a really pretty pink as well. And obviously इसमें इतनी अच्छी वो collection दी हुई कि it's not like a random shade उन्होंने डाल दिया कि चलो इस्तेमाल करो. Same as Sephora, they added Pillow Talk and Rare Beauty, really pretty top color. So, which is amazing. Then we got here eyeliner. I mean the pencil liner, black. Max, and it's a full size as well. Then you get full size of mascara. So honestly, this deal is about $58, like $60, and I paid how much I paid? Oh my goodness. I think it was 60 something, and I got all these full size products. So this is mascara, really bougie, nice looking. What else we got? Oh, so we got the setting spray, the regular one, but which is great. You get a full-size product, and this is the mini, so difference, right? So this is 30 ml and this is 100 ml, which is great. So yeah, these things I got from MAC recently. And oh, one more thing I want to show you. How can I forget this? Because this was one of the collection, a holiday collection, this one. So this is an extra dimension skin finish. This is so pretty, guys. This is so pretty. Raat ke iswaqt 2 baj rahe, I think, almost, yeah, 2:10, and I'm making this video because I can't sleep. This is the packaging, and oh my god, look at this. Tell me You don't want this. You, oh my god, this is amazing. It's so pretty, golden, like, oh my goodness. Really pretty shade, and look at the shimmer. Wow. Oh God, मेरा ना swatch करने को दिल नहीं करता, मेरा दिल खराब हो रहा होता है मेरी चीज़ की, वो जो shape खराब हो रही होती है ना. But this is so pretty. Yeah, so that's all I got from the MAC holiday collection just recently. इसके अलावा भी कुछ लिया था, which I will show you next video because video is already 10 minutes and I don't want you to get upset watching the whole video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, like this video, comment me down below whatever you want to watch next. And thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you.